Anna, you have elemental powers?
I do. And my name is Sora!